Good morning, student of class 7. I am your computer teacher Sonjit sir. Hope you all are fine. Today, I am going to discuss the exercise short question and answer and also take a quick recap of this chapter. Okay, so let's start. This is the syllabus of third term examination. As all of you know that our third term exam is also based on MCQ. Okay, so all of you have to read each and every chapter very carefully for your examination. Okay, so now move on to the topic. So first of all, a list of HTML can be either order list, unordered list and definition list. In my previous classes I already have discussed about the HTML list. Okay, there are three types of HTML list, which is order list, unordered list and definition list. Okay, each item in the list starts with li tag. Okay, li tag. A bullet list may be created. ul tag is mainly pair tags which has uh, uh, start tag also and end tag also. Okay, and same as an order list is specified with ol tags is also a pair tags. A definition list is enclosed with dl tags. The definition term is given within dt and description is given with dd tag. A table may be created using table tag. Table tag is also a pair tag. Okay, each row represented by tr tag. Each column is represented with td tag. Td and tr tag is also a pair tag. Okay, header and the header row can be specified by th tag. Caption has the caption helps us to give a heading of the table. Okay, caption tag, we use the caption tag to give a heading of the table. Next is form. Form tag may be used to create a form. Radio button, checkbox, text box, password text or multi-line text boxes are some of the controls that can be embedded in a form. A form may be sent to processing agent using the submit button. All the values of the form can be set to the initial mode using the reset button. Okay, we can use the reset button to get to the initial mode of the form. Okay, next is the img tag. Img tag is used to insert an image. Okay, img src. Okay, this is the tag to insert an image in the web pages. The src attributes is used to specify the url of the path of the images has to be embedded. So mainly when we want to insert an image in the web pages, we use the img src tag. Okay, a hyperlink may be created by anchor tag. Anchor tag, it helps to link either to the same pages or to another web pages. The href attributes may be used for specifying the target file. The image also be used to hyperlink. Okay, so this is the revision of this chapter. Okay, now move on to the question answer part. So first is um, choose the correct answer. Which type of list is specified by ol tag? Number tag. Number tag is specified by ol tag. Next is the attribute display the text when the images cannot be displayed. alt. Alt is display. Okay, next is the attribute contains the target file. href. Href is the right answer. Which is not a value of the uh, v-align attribute of the table tag. Center tag. Okay, center tag is not a value of the v-aligned attribute of the table tag. Next is which is not the control of a form. Image. Image is not the control of a form. So these are the tick mark from this chapter. Next is true false. The first is name anchors must be used to jump the particular section of the main document. So this statement is true. Okay, the row span instructed to the browser to take up more than one column. This statement is false. The dd contains the definition term. This statement is also false. Okay, align is equal to middle. ensure that the image will be appear in the center of the screen. So this statement is also false. Next, the value pwd ensure that that the input given by the user is not display. This statement is true. So these are the true false from this following chapter. Okay, next is fill in the blanks by using these words given in the box. So first is the method of a form tag has two option to get and post. Okay, post is the right answer. Next is we may display a particular picture using the img tag. I already have discussed about the image inserting tag, which is img src. Okay, next is the tier tag describe each row of a table. Okay, tier tag describe the each row of a table. Next is vspace. Vspace may be used to specify the amount of the space left on the top of and bottom of the images. Next is a round bullet may be specified the fill round type in the ul tag. Next is a text that may link to the other section of the web pages or website is known as hyperlink. We can easily click on the hyperlink to go to the next web pages or next another section of the web pages. Okay, so these are the fill in the blanks from this chapter. And I want to tell you all of you that please read the book very carefully, each and every chapter very carefully for your third term examination. Okay, mainly the third term examination is mainly based on MCQ, so all of you have to read each and every chapter very carefully. So today I am ending my discussion here. In my next video I will discuss another chapter. Okay, so till then, take care, goodbye and thank you.